Yeah, we ripping some Pokemon, bro. We got some vending machine snags, baby. And we're just gonna rip it. I'm at the post office dropping off some orders here. And we're gonna see what we got today. Let's see if we got anything. Flygon rip. Let's see, Surging Sparks here. The post office rips. Code card, baby. Here we go. Someone just pulled up next to me. Do we got it in here? She's gonna be like, what is he doing? Nothing. Journey together. I've pulled 2 Lily's Clefairies already. Here, maybe this sounds better now. Let's see, let's see. Oh! Let's go! Look at that, I don't even have any sleeves, baby.